Yeah, our good friends from Color Graphics down there throwing some souvenirs up to our fans in the stands. Color Graphics night here tonight at South Sound Speedway. Really good friends of South Sound Speedway. As we are underway, Greg Davidson and Mike Canavan. Ryan Kerr looking strong alongside of Sean Jones, but Greg Davidson quickly moves out in front. As the field comes off of 4, Greg Davidson right now going to try to pull away, keeping an eye on Ryan Kerr and Sean Jones. They are racing hard side by side in that battle for third. Ryan Kerr with the advantage on the bottom. Sean Jones trying to make something happen on the outside. Right now he's just going to fall back in line to the field now, single file. Canavan taking a peek to the inside off of 4. Door was open for a second for Mike Canavan, and he could not quite get there. Greg Davidson holds on to the lead. Davidson, Canavan, Ryan Kerr, Sean Jones. Then we go farther back to find Josh Pinkowski. 5 of 8 laps now in the books. The field starts to tighten up. Canavan and Kerr and Sean Jones not letting Davidson get away. They are right there with the leader. White flag flies as the top 4 running nose to tail. Greg Davidson, Mike Canavan, Ryan Kerr, Sean Jones. Yeah, if anybody wants to make a move for position, if they're going to be content to finish in this order, Greg Davidson is your winner, followed by Mike Canavan, Ryan Kerr, and then Sean Jones and Josh Pinkowski rounding plus transmission. Kerr Car Care and Quality Muffler Hut, the 05 Arnold Norton. With a good start on the outside. Norton gets a little bit sideways coming through turn number 2. And Erskine's going to quickly move out in front of this field. Richard Kerr trying to make it happen on the outside. Richard Kerr is going to go by Norton. Richard Kerr quickly up to the second spot. Now it's Erskine, Kerr, Norton, and Dan Walker. Trouble for Anthony Barbera. The 41, I think, coming into this one knew that he may have had something up with that 41 machinist. He chose to go to the back. As soon as that green flag dropped, he dropped even farther back from the field. Of this top-notch trailer street stock division most of the year, right up until about the past month. And Richard Kerr has come to life, and Kerr has closed to within 18 points of Dan Walker. Richard Kerr, past champion in this division. And I said, over the past month, Richard Kerr has absolutely come to life and has reeled back in Dan Walker at a time when it looked like Dan Walker was just going to walk away with this division. It has now gotten very tight. And once again, Richard Kerr right now 1 spot ahead of Dan Walker, so he can chip into that points lead even more. Cody Erskine still holding on to the lead. He's got Richard Kerr all over the rear bumper. And Kerr's going to try a move here as they come to the white flag. Richard Kerr is inside Erskine as they go through turns 1 and 2. Richard Kerr's got his nose right out front of Erskine. As they come back off of 4, Erskine sideways in front of Walker. Richard Kerr's your winner, Cody Erskine.